Hey folks, we're on another one. Coffee going crazy over here. This is going to be a good one. We're heading towards Ord Mountain. It's a mining district south from here. We'll make some breakfast, have some coffee, and we'll get on it. I haven't had a sip of coffee yet. Fluffy one. Door latch there, right to the vent. Oh yeah, we got butter. For a pancake. Go down fast with wind like that. How much butter does one need? Yeah! Back in the dirt. Ord Mountains, here we come. Steep, folks, steep. I don't know if I have to give it the beans on the other side. Hopefully, that doesn't look too bad. Woohoo! I don't know what this pass looks like. Ought to be exciting. See how high this is? Let's go on this side. Yeah. The little high sections will hit your stumps. You have to worry about that. That is a stump. That is a sump. Huge difference between a stump and a sump. Take care, folks. Ah, this is the pass. Oh, this is steep. I need to pick a good line. It's getting ripped up here. Man, it's super steep. Look at this, folks. Oh man, it's super rocky. Loose gravel. You see that? Yeah, that was close. Man, I barely made it. You gotta stay out of the ruts. It's real steep, folks. Super rocky. Gotta stay out of the ruts and miss the boulders. Woohoo! I barely made it. Wait a second, what's that? Looks like an old Ford. If you ever have to roll up onto something like this, folks, play it safe. Could be an ambush. This may be a situation where you have to take care of yourself. Be careful. Before you get out and walk around this truck, make sure you've cleared the area and the truck and under the truck. Once you're completely satisfied, then you can walk around this truck and film it and do your thing. Until then, no. If you don't feel happy or something just turns you away, keep driving. And honestly, if you have any doubts in your abilities, I would turn around. Go from there and see what we got. Trail is Harrod Road. Because the pipeline going through, we had it on the other side when I went to Hercules Finger. So I don't know how far that is still. Looks like we have yet another hill climb to do. This one's been out for a while. One more thing I've noticed, other than that Mylar balloon we just picked up, that blew in here, there's no trash. Yeah, it's windy. Ooh. See right here? Sort of kills this way. So I'm really curious what that looks like over there. This is actually steeper than that. Up the bypass and down the main trail just to check it out. Shadows are getting longer. Using the brakes pushed the bus to the lower right side. So, off the trail we go. I think this spot is semi-flat ground. It's really steep here. Watch. All right, let's just Baja 5000 style, right? If I have to downshift before that spot, I'm screwed. If I downshift, I'll try it one more time. That was a little scary. The bus wanted to do its own thing in that section. The other one's a little bit more rocky. I'm gonna try that one. The beer bottle one. That one's a little steeper up top though. Wowzers! Holy cats! Gotta go off this cliff. You know what we always say about cliffs? It's like falling with style. Okay, what we don't want to do is put too much brake on. Just keep it where it doesn't skid. We're alright. You know, and it helps if you put it in 4 low too. See how well 4 low works? Woo! That was nuts. Thought I'd bring you along for the fall. Had to drop the camera. I couldn't steer far enough to one side. It was crazy. That was close. You know, when it's a bunch of rocks, it doesn't know which way your wheel is turned. The only way to get your wheel to turn is let off on the brake a little bit. They'll bring you back. There's a gold mine that I had marked. Going off up through that canyon, that's where I wanted to camp. But the road was washed out probably years ago. That's the TAO Mine. So we'll just have to mosey on down and see what else we can find. Hey, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock, way too early to find a campsite anyways. Power steering. Oh, that would hurt. Let's go down in here. Different angles, folks. I believe the trail rating said you need high currents. I remember that. Well, I'm not going to do that. My turnoff was down there, and there was a white truck up there, so can't do that either. Sorry, I'm blinding you. I'd like to look at that black rock right there. You can see the road leading up to it. It's late in the day. Be a good morning hike, right? It's beautiful country. They say there's over 500 mines here. Over time, of course. Not present day stuff. Most of it's gone. It's pretty amazing. They're all stacked right on top of each other. I don't know what's over here. I know that one TAO, or capital TAO, is on this side, just over the ridge right here. You know how government is. You can't go and play anymore. It's all a big liability for people getting hurt and whatnot. Folks don't have common sense like they used to. I'm one of them. Saw what I did today? There's no way that bus should have been on that road. That was crazy. Did I have fun? Yeah. Would I do it again? Maybe with a couple people. Well, let's go find a spot and make camp. Right here, we'll see how it works out. Look what we got. Got a hole in the ground. Isn't that cool? Let's go check out the other one. This one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's been filled in. Let's see what those rocks are all about. Maybe. Oh, that's central. Maybe a canvas tent. Pile up the rocks, hold in some heat. This is awesome. I don't see any rock art to make this native. Oh yeah. We're out in the middle of nowhere, folks. Look at that. Let's go check that pipe. this. Remember we seen one the other day, a couple episodes. Tin Can Alley, we seen that same thing. Purple guys. So cool. I love the cacti. Not sure what the pipe's for. How's that? Better? Or is that too close? Let's see. Oh no, that sounds pretty good. Look at these guys. There's my old fender. I'm not sure. See the cans starting to pop up? Boom. We're in the dump. Back to the 70s. Camper shell. That's probably 30s from that car. See the stove pipe for the stove? It looks like part of that car. Stovepipe, cans, and near mint gasoline or kerosene can. Something to arrange probably. Some roofing. Nothing came running out. Propane, another part of a car. Rattlesnake home. Looks maybe part of that roof metal. Yeah. Yeah, it's windy, chilly. It's probably 54, 55. All right, we got a new one. Oh no, same. Those guys. There's no more cans any further up. So, seen some stuff over here. Check with that. Remember what I said about those? You see those? There's gold nearby. Looks like another structure. Pack rats. Might have been tall. Fell over. You stack them. That's 3 feet high. Probably double that. Throw a roof on it, you're done. You have to really pay attention to, might be vents here, you know. Your next step can be your last. Since that dump was small, we'll mosey on over here. See that? See that little hole right there? That's what you look for. Stay away from that. Could have been a shaft going in here. A road to somewhere. See it? That'd be a good hike. See the pipe? And see the hole? Scary. Very little. I really enjoy this. This is the part I really like. You actually find something. Did you see anything? More gold plants. And a can. Tailings pile. Look how small these are compared to that one we were walking on up in Calico, up in the canyons. This is baby. But if they did it with a shovel and pick, it's not baby. Wow. Okay, this is pretty close to being level. Folks, what do you think those tanks were used for? Tonight's read. 1960. Trying to look for a date. With a Dodge touring car, a tent, and other camping equipment, we set out to look for the location. You don't have any cell service, so it's 5:50 at night. Bring a book. And I like these old ones that you just, I mean, you can't buy this. So, peace out, people, and I'll see you in the morning. Morning coffee. That sun is just starting to peak. First sip. Oh, that's good. Wow, wow, wow. 33 degrees this morning. That's another one done. That was crazy. This is the Ord Mountain district. Ooh, let's switch that camera angle. I'm blinded. Wow. Well, thanks so much for watching. And we're gonna get out of here. Until the next one, take care of yourself. And I can't wait to go out again. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.